Wait, hold on. No one told me Buffalo was getting a full-blown blizzard tonight, and I took a QB over?
And goal for the Bengals on the 14th play of the drive. It's Brown trying to
So, yeah, that's fine. That's cool. Run the ball again and see what happens.
25 today, 2 touchdowns, no picks. He's pressured. He's got a ton of room. There goes Josh Allen through the snow into the end zone. Touchdown Bills, 40 yards.
Inclement, you give up a lot of field position.
Put it in Allen's hands. Ask him to make something happen. He scrambles. Nobody open. Backs up. Heaves. End zone.
That's the throw we needed. 4th down. Snow. Doesn't matter. Josh Allen finishes with 251 yards. Over smacked. Winners only. Split Labs. Link in bio.